Hello dear students, welcome to digitally enabled sustainable forest management, which is proudly offered by RC University through Ishe online learning platform. I'm Mohammed Qasim, senior lecturer and researcher at RC University, College of Agriculture and Environmental Science, Department of Natural Resource Management. And I'm honored to be your course instructor and facilitator. Forests are more than trees. They are living systems that protect our climate, support biodiversity, provide livelihoods, and sustain life on Earth. Yet today, these valuable resources are under increasing pressure from deforestation, land degradation, illegal logging, forest fire, agricultural expansion, invasive species, and climate change. This course teaches responsible forest management to sustain ecological, economic, and social benefits for present and future generations. At the beginning of the course, you will be guided through the course orientation. It covers course objectives, learning outcomes, assessments, blended learning expectations, academic integrity, and learning management system navigation. The course is organized into 9 chapters, moving from basic concept to applied forest management and policy, including key forest terminologies, forest ecology, the principle of sustained forestry, the elements and the methods of sustainable forest management, forest inventory and mensuration, forest resource protection, sustainable forest management approaches, and Chapter 8 links biodiversity conservation with livelihoods. Finally, Chapter 9 examines forest policy and governance. It focuses on international frameworks, Ethiopian forest policy, community rights, and concludes with an overall course synthesis. Throughout this course, you will learn via videos, lectures, readings, discussions, quizzes, and practical assignments. Assessment includes quizzes, participations, assessments, and a final project. In the final project, you will prepare a simple, sustainable forest management plan for a selected forest area, bringing together theory and practice. Sustainable forest management is not only about protecting forests, so that forests can continue to support people, nature, and development tomorrow. As learners and future practitioners, your role really matters. Let's begin our journey toward healthy forests and a sustainable future. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, students.